Okay, good day sa inyong lahat. So let us explore the use of SketchUp. So this time we will create a simple title block using this app. Okay, what we are going to do first is to erase this. Erase natin to. Okay, then let us go to top view. By the way, before that, let us set this first to the proper unit what we want to use. Okay, dito tayo sa units, then let us set this into decimal, then punta tayo dun sa millimeter. Sa millimeter muna tayo, then close. Okay, so dito sa measurement lalabas dyan na pag type natin ang millimeter. A simple title block what we are going to draw now. So, doon sa view, punta ka dyan, punta ka sa top. Yan gagamitin natin, then we have to pan. So, let us place this on center. Okay. So, ang gagawin lang natin, gagamitin lang natin, reference line is the green line and the red axis. Okay. So, para simple. Basic lang muna tayo, no? By means of lines. Okay. So, pwede naman on the spot, we can create rectangle as we did before. Rectangle, then pick, then let us drag this, then let us type the value, which is, try natin 507.5 comma by 762, then enter. Okay, so yun siya, baligtad pala, no? So undo natin, let us undo rectangle. Let's try again. So try natin, double check yung dimension na, mukhang nagkamali sa dimension. So 762 comma 507.5. So yun siya, enter. Yan, ganyan siya kaliit. Then we have to zoom it out using the scroll ball. Ayan na siya. Okay? Diba? Meron na tayo. Then mano-mano, pwede. Doon mo tayo sa mano-mano. Drawing tayo. Anyway, pwede natin may offset to. So, offset natin. Let us offset this. Place that on center. Pwede yan. Dito pala na. Pick natin. Lagay natin ang value which is 20. Enter. Ayan. Okay. Then from that 20, let us draw line here. Dagdagan natin ito ng 5. Enter. Then let us draw line here. So itong kabila magiging 25. Endpoint siya. Then let us place here. So kailangan green din green. Okay. Then let us erase this. Erase these lines. Okay. Then again, let us draw line 45 mm. Enter. Then here, pick. Then another pick here. Let us draw line 9 mm. Okay, enter. Ayan, nakikita nyo Then draw again line which is 9 again. Doon sa red axis, pick. Then repeat 9. Enter. Then draw endpoint. So ganoon lang siya kasimple. Pick. Then another line which is naman tayo mag-offset. Let us use this. So type tayo ng 158.55. Enter. So ito siya. Okay. So green axis, then again Offset natin again to into 130, 130.55. Enter. And 147.5. Enter. Ayan siya ha. Then draw vertical line again. Then again, offset natin to draw line 133.5. 133.5. Enter. So yun na natin magiging endpoint. Then let us draw line here. Then offset tayo again ng 90. On line ulit tayo. 90 point. From here, draw tayo ng line again. Offset natin yan into 35. Just to draw line. Peak. Then endpoint here. Line. Peak. So we have to erase this. Okay. Erase this. Kasi dito ilalagay yung logo ng inyong company, halimbawa no, kung meron. Then the name, learning center, so you can place that here. Then yung iba ilalagay dito no, the same as sa AutoCAD, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. Then let us place text. Sa placement of text, lagay tayo ng text ha, example. So let us go to window first, then model info. Let us set the text. Yung text, pindutin, then font. Ayan siya, font. So we have to place the font size. Ayun, merong 8. Ito ay 9 mm siya. So kailangan ng height ng letter natin is around 2.5 mm or 3, you know. So maglagay tayo ng allowance yan, halimbawa. Okay, 5 mm na. 5 mm ang ating gagamitin, height of letter, since nasa mga title naman siya. Okay. Let us replace this into 5. Then what we are going to use is, let us check. So maganda kung Arial muna tayo or depende sa inyo, pero make sure kung anong ginamit nyo nung una, dapat ganun din hanggang sa huli. Okay? So Arial tayo. Ito Arial. Arial rounded na lang natin. Okay? Then i-bold natin para makapal. Then click OK. Close. Okay? Let us type text here, saka na lang natin i-move. Okay, ganyan siya kaliit. So after ninyong magawa yung kabuuan, ito na siya, no? Ayan na siya. Under yung detail sample. After that, what you're going to do is to explore this 3D text. So pick nyo lang yan, then lalabas yung dialog box, enter text. Type nyo yung surname ha. Let's say your surname is Peter. Then you have to change the text height. So babawasan yan, that is 100. Pwede nyo gawing 800. Make sure nakakasya dyan sa inyong drawing area. Example, let us change this into 80. 80 lang, no? Huwag 800, masyado malaki yan. So then place, kita nyo 800 ang laki. 80 lang siya. So what you're going to do, kung hindi kayo mapapagod, undo text lang, then again go to the 3D text. 3D text, pick ulit. Then pag type, type muna ninyo bago kayo pumili dito sa font. Peter. Yung surname to ha, paalala, surname. Punta ka sa font type, pick nyo yung arrow, then pipili na lang kayo dyan. Once you pick the desired font, ayan yung lumalabas, nasa kanyang preview. Okay? Ayan siya, dami. So, explore na ng explore hanggang sa magsawa kayo. Ayan. Maglaro kayo maglaro. Makikita nyo naman yung kanyang preview. Kaya kapag makita ninyo at ganun sabi nga maging kontento na kayo, sa bahala na kayo mag-place. No? Kaya pag nakita ninyo kontento na kayo sa napili yung text, sa kanyo ilalagay place. Okay? So, andyan na siya ngayon. So, make sure niya kasi 800 yun na i-type natin na double check nyo. I-enter nyo lang, yan ang lalabas. That is Peter. Okay? Dapat apelyido ha. Bahala na kayo maglagay. Naka 2D wireframe yan, no? O, top view. Pag in-isometric